to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia and her friend. And Marcia and her friend are handling Jennifer, aka Queen B. And they're talking about a lot of things. And, Marcia is getting down into the little and nitty gritty of things. She's saying yes, they would have been able to talk about her, but basically they would be talking about her, saying that she needs to get off YouTube, but her friends wouldn't be talking about anything else because basically none of them have paid her bills, and so that's all they could have, spoken about. So guys, go ahead, go catch the video, hear what Marcia has to say, and her friend to Queen B. And remember guys to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there, my followers, my friends that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday to you. And I wish you all that your heart desires for this, your birthday, and prosperity eternally. And for all my other lovelies, my followers, my supporters, my friends, family, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today. It's another day for you to make changes in your life, for you to put one foot forward and just go for what it is that you desire. It's another day for you to make changes, and another day for you to step into your faith and pick up the thing or things that your heart desires. Remember, each and every day is a new day for us to begin, or for us to take on new things and to enlighten ourselves. And not only that, but to get what we desire in life. So go ahead and step out in faith. Take what is yours and keep driving. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Page, you're over YouTube all long and it can't reach 5,000. And stop walk and kiss one of the biggest blogger on social media ass, and up until today you can't reach 5,000. Jennifer, you know nobody. Jennifer blogging this, I don't care, could I write up pretty like a money. You ain't not nobody, go about your business. We are futuristic.
So Dr. Right crap tool.
Eh?
Dr. Right crap tool,
Get Dr. Right in a crap tool.
She can always walk all right pretty.
We don't give a shit. I don't care who want to talk about me. What is your dilemma out here? To come and talk about me if nobody no come for my page, that will never blood clot happen. I am one of the best out here. You can't talk about me to let me get off, because guess what? My reputation, my life and the way I represent myself speak for myself. From in depth on social media, everybody have seen me 7 days a week in my blood clot house. I keep karaoke in church.
Well, you come look good, you come pretty, you come undressed, you don't dress up, you let me see each and everywhere. Make she come out now.
Yes, exactly. The people on social media see me when me ugly, and them see me look like Cinderella, and them see me look like I don't care. You can't come do it. These people, I am one of the realest motherfucker out here. Don't waste your time trying to put me down. That shit ain't gonna work, Jennifer. Me is a role model out here. Me is a motivation out here. As much as you, them a put petition for me. That will never happen. Jennifer, you can't take the lead when me have out here. People know me, the biggest of the biggest Jamaican star people and watch me. Me not ask you. Me have all kind of celebrity watch me.
She should learn and how to go wash her pussy.
Me all have some fans. Me all have some supporter who work in the Prime Minister office. Down to the Prime Minister of Jamaica know me is.
The way she fucking.
Somebody tell him something the other day, Marcia. Him say that girl is funny. She's funny. Let me tell you, down to the Prime Minister know who I am. Me not ask you. Sometime I'll miss Kitty log off and watch me up on Facebook and don't say hello to me. Me not ask you. Me have people from artists then watch me. Me not ask you. Artist girlfriend and wife. Me not ask you. If you ever know the people we are watching behind closed door,
Oh, Sherry
me
there,
have one
but
whole heap of
you
police
say
department at
she
Jamaica, they
want,
watch me. And then
she
you go
want
to
to
tell my
be,
friend, say the
she want
woman
to
they
be
on
a
social media
Marcia.
give you a problem. Big up on yourself, the police station. Me know how part no
She
day.
want to be a
Then
Marcia,
go back, go
and
tell
that's
him
the
things.
happen.
Say your woman they on social media give problem. Me not ask you.
She want to be a Marcia, that's the
Anywhere
happen.
me go on road, people man walk up to me. Them don't come. Them don't come say
If they
nothing
don't
to
know
me.
you, if they don't know your face, they know your voice.
And as me walk in a one store here, somebody say, I Marcia Campbell. Nobody no know you. Bitch,
Nobody
girl,
know one know.
listen to me. As I
Nobody
18,
want to
19
know.
years, me there, you know, Jennifer. I remember say you come on social media watch me now. Remember say no, I have been the same way now. For all these years I've been on here, you know. Everybody see me now.
Jeremy say,
Right in my house, you know, Jennifer. Everybody see me in my house. I keep karaoke 7 days a week, you know. You can't come out and come
Jeremy
break them.
say,
How
Akill
comes all of a
shit.
sudden me wasn't a whore in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 25 me a whore now. So make you never tell me that when time me not muddy up in a 2 years ago. How me wasn't a whore them time there? You know, get the opportunity to tell me them something there. He said, cuss not bring good word. What you trying to say? If me a whore, I might crotch. Nobody
Exactly.
not tell her when Gully back brother I fuck you out and I give you nothing. Remember say you give him something, you know. I pay a broke pocket man you chat to, you know, Jennifer. Me never got Jamaica mind man yet, you know.
I'm my man.
Me never got Jamaica and carry down the suitcase of clothes again man yet, you know. When me used to go to Jamaica and I carry something for my man friend when me I carry him something for. You understand? Me carry 2 buckler Hennessy and 1 buckler cologne. If him not get anything, get a cologne, because him don't want one Ross. Anybody else used to me carry something for? I must say me one of my man friend them, me carry a t-shirt or one hat or something. Or them say, Marcia, I beg you pack a marina. That's the highest me I carry. Yeah, you know, me not ask you. A matter of fact, lately now, I want pull me walk out of that blood clot airport with a 1 bag. A 2 times I got Jamaica the other day, you know. In a less than a week and a part, and I pull me walk out with.
She want to be like you, Marcia. So, you know, you say, them say you must always yourself on spill milk.
Eh?
Or about blackboard.
I saw me travel lightly, and anytime me I travel again, I want pull me walk off of the plane because that blood clot feel
Don't
good.
you waste powder on blackboard because all them will just shake it off and come again. You understand?
Yeah, nobody.
Don't waste powder on her.
A big blood clot star like a me should not waste time on you. Move your dirty pussy clot from your dirty girl. Me a blood clot star out here. Me shouldn't be wasting time on you. When me a waste time from you, me a big deal. And me put paycheck in a them blogger blood clot pocket and food. Why should I waste check? And you go work, you live America. Let the dirty pussy hold them a yard near me look a piece of food because them days running out. You the America.
If she go take a living job, she da better off.
Go take a living job. Drive your blood clot to Florida. Whole heap a job to Florida. The Spanish people them gone. Whole heap a living job to Florida and private work. Go look one. If none of the Atlanta.
She don't see her money.
Eh?
You understand? She
You are worried. Hold on, the Mary. She are worried about my job. Oh, you're double tapping. What she call it? You're double tapping. You're at work and making money and yet you're doing live. So what?
I she pay you?
Me never knows. Oh, you're double tapping. You're supposed to look after your client. My client will look after. My client look after. My client is an independent man. What you think him I do? Piss up in a diaper, me a clean diaper and shit? No. He walk to the bathroom and take him and say, it's a companion job this. Me no in slavery. Me deal with him, me's a company keeper, so me supposed to can go up on my phone. As long as me finish do my work.
As long as you don't finish take care of him.
My boss watch me on YouTube too. She may not answer, but she watch me.
Okay.
Because she watch me.
But listen, all she needs to go do is take a living job and she'll be okay. You understand? Because the living job will pay money down.
What you drinking? Water?
You see them party all probably phone say $46 or $50 or she needs to go take a living job.
Me? It's not about even living job, you know, Jennifer. But this little dirty pussy old girl I tell lie. Where you tell lie for? Who you can drag down? You know, sister me a hot girl road. Me look like a word to you. You know, sister me a bossy blood clot girl. You know, see how me look? If me not wear, me da wear sexy outfit, push up my nice pretty breast and my pretty skin and sexy clothes. You know see how my clothes I'm put on. You know see every
But
day me
yeah,
cover
clothes
up.
ain't tight like Panja tree.
Eh?
All the yellow big bird suit that she have on when she got your gala. But don't put like she about with a tree lump back on her.
Yeah.
Tree batty.
Yeah. Does eh? You know see how me dress? From me know for you know me. You know see me ever well put together and cover up. And me have beautiful tall legs.
She forgot to like for some chat. She can call you me introduce her to a doctor we know about side eye.
Idiot
She gonna suck
girl.
out her shit.
Now make one Ross. And come on social media a write up and a write up. Me give you hello, bitch. I give you a little view. Me now come out and give no more view. Because you got dirty pussy old woman over so. I make money in a chat fuck her, me years old. Make she go and go jump in a one dark shit pile. Eh? Me not have the time. God is too good to me. Me not put on waste no blood clot time for you.
I'll see where for price you dying, please. Them people they need to go sit down.
Me nah quote can waste time for you. Me, Marcia, too blessed to be stressed. You not coming out here. Let me make it clear. Hold on there. Let me make it clear. Go and suck your mother, Jennifer.
With a straw.
With a straw. Go dig up her corpus, her dead body, and go suck it out, bitch. You can't stop none of my friends from talking to me. Go and suck your mother.
I never know that she's desperate, man. She's desperate.
You're too desperate. Motherfucker, if you broke, come ask me for a plane ticket so you can go to Jamaica go suck David dick. If I eat you want. Because David don't want you. I'm sure no say.
Me wouldn't have a brother.
Gully back brother.
Put that them out there and film it.
Don't want you. That the good looking at black boy there no want you. If him did want you, he would have married to you a long time and come a foreign and get a blood clot green card. Him no want you. When I was at my party over by Elsha, bitch ass, he was flirting with me. And flirting also with my acquaintances from Wochirias. The brown hat girl. And he was flirting with me too. And him na flirt with the girl from Hochi. And give her your number. Give him the number. And they were talking on the phone. Remember, so you end up cuss her. Jennifer, you want me start talk about things them now? And for the Holy Bible. Remember my friend from Hochi. Where your man gave the number to, and they were corresponding until your blood clots start get jealous of my friend Ochi Jennifer. Do you remember that then how him want you when him look on at Gala Road? Remember you cuss the girl from Ochi. You want me put her up on the phone or the man call her every minute? When give the number to over Elsha Jennifer? Do you want? Do you want me to call? Hold on, Marie. Marie, hold on. Jennifer, why are you coming out here? Why are you coming out here and interfering with me? Me don't like to tell friend business. Jennifer, you remember the girl from Ochirias? That your man, where you there with for much years, give the number and the man deny you. And talking to her. And you were jealous of her. Do you want me to call a girl from Ochirias? And this ain't no joke, people. This ain't no make-up story. Him give his number to my friend at the party. I was correspond with her. Jennifer, I told Jennifer about it, and Jennifer was getting jealous. The man don't want Jennifer. The man have a woman in Jamaica. If the man did want you, he would have taken a green card from you and come America can live long time. Remember, so the man did have a woman in Jersey. And the first woman come on social media cuss you. Remember over YouTube, you and other woman was over by YouTube cursing over him. And the woman will have a foreign, a woman Jersey, so if you left him man alone, and you say nah left him.
But she have a low self-esteem. She cannot consult about.
What is your problem? It's hard for you to make money over here. Jennifer, go sit down. You can't beat me out here, you know.
She have 3 body, I don't want to sit down.
Marcia have 3 body, and you don't want to sit down. 1 left, 1 right, and 1 at the back. 3 body, you don't want to sit down. Go sit your ass down. Go sit down. Me no want a blood clot friend from you. You take Arlene already. And Arlene said the other day, the text message is there. She said you and her is no friend. And she does not want to mix up in no Facebook pasa, and she's out of it. So I believe the reason why you're acting so crazy right now, I believe that Arlene is not taking your phone calls. Or because I came out here and said that she said you and her is no friend. Because what happened when she says something to you, fabricate it. When you send the photograph I give her, with she and my other friend, she said to you, said, I have not spoken to Marcia because Marcia sent me a message telling me to tell you to stop trouble Tina Chin. And I don't want to be in the mix-up. You come out here, come talk in your video and stated that me a big friend and a call her and she don't want to answer me. Me have the text message right here, so. So I believe that you don't have nobody in your corner right now. And that is the reason why you're acting so. Fuck you. You stupid bitch.
She acting like a high school girl.
The man of Jamaica don't want you. Go talk to the blood clot white man with next door you. When me tell us if you go chat to. You tell me say him not tan good in teeth dirty. Me say you can't fix him up.
But she can't put
But me say go fix him up. He's the right one to talk to. And I swear to God up in heaven. I tell you say talk to him and left the boy of Jamaica because him don't want you. I said speak to the white man. Me say you can fix him up. You say any man go out for lunch and go out for whatever, but you don't really want him. Me say them man if you talk to. You if you talk to man who you don't want and them want you. You're too blood clot stupid. You don't have to buy a plane ticket if you go suck dick or go take dick. When you have a white man who you say like you have. Your business if him rasty, dirty, can't go making God dentist and fix him up and trim him up. That's what the blood clot black girl them does the white man them.
Yeah.
Them buy them clothes and fix them up nice and trim them up. When them find somebody who care about them, they will start to get dressed. Bitch, go chat to the white man. You get enough views from me now. Go sit your blood clot down. Me a big pussy clot deal. You see how me look? You see how me look? Eh? Eh? You see how me look?
But why she don't come out and show the people them how she look?
You see how me look? You see no lump? You see no lump on mine? Eh? You see no lump there? No. Where you lump there? Where there? You see any lump there? Nope. Where there? Look something I drive me crazy. You see no lump there on here? No lump. You see belly? Belly going down. Nothing. You see? Watch it. Me losing weight. I'm fixing up myself. Me should not waste the time. Come a man just called me a while ago on video camera to talk to me. So I shouldn't be up here talking right now. Me should have talked to him. Babe, me know you watch me. Me soon call you. Me know you're watching me. Let me done the little ass girl and come to you. You don't make no sense. You were going to Jamaica next month. And you invite Arlene to come with you. And Arlene say you were going to invite me. I told Arlene I wasn't going. And that ain't no freaking lie. I said I'm not going nowhere with you. Me and you will never be friends. You's a traitor. You's Judas. You sold for 30 pieces of silver. You are Judas. Nobody now trust you from now. All the bloggers all the bloggers are out here push you. Trust me. By next week or next month, them are done out your blood clot out here. And you don't have no shame. You don't have no friend. I have friend. I have friend. I have friend. I don't care where you come with. Me not care if Mary want to chat me. I don't care if Sister Harleen want to chat me. Chat them on me. Blood clot chat them on me. Because me not behave good out there sometime. So me, them will chat me. If you call them, them will chat me to a uno. Any one of uno will chat me. Yes, they will chat me. And the chat where them going to say, Marcia, if you come over Facebook, Marcia act certain way and she really need to stop cause yes, uno chat me. Then will chat me if you have them number. So if you and Sister Hillian was corresponding behind my back, yes, uno will chat me and chat that. But guess what? You are the first one to bring up a blood clot conversation. Because you always are going like say, you're innocent and you're so nice and proper speaking. No, bitch. You're terrible. So chatting them on me. But so chat where you know say you chat where you know say you already done chat. So chat with them chat now. Me not talk to her. You came up with this 2 years ago and you mentioned it and I call her and I say